Let me pause and breathe it in. Let me close my eyes and take it in. No photograph can capture all the happiness I have inside. So let me brave it through the night. All the fear and misery left behind. 'Cause no memory can take me back to feeling how I feel inside.
The day Lucky and Tin affirm their vows before God and the gathering of witnesses. We celebrate the love they have discovered for each other, and we support their decision to commit themselves to one another for the rest of their lives.
Let me pause and
In your eyes I found my home. In your smile is my happiness. And in your heart is my forever. I choose you and will continue to choose you today, tomorrow, and all the days of our life. From the moment God brought you into my life, I've been blessed with a love that mirrors His grace and mercy. You're an answer to the prayers. I promise to pray for you, with you, and over you.
Tinutupad ko na ang matagal mo ng pangarap na maging asawa ako. Di ka na malulungkot sa tuwing kailangan mo na umuwi kapag magkasama tayo dahil simula ngayon at sa mga susunod na panahon, sa akin ka na uuwi.
Finally, magagawa na natin lahat ng gusto natin. Hindi ko na kailangan malungkot every time na kailangan ko nang umuwi at magbabay sa'yo. Hindi ko na din kailangan mangulit para makipag-video call sa'yo dahil ikaw na ang araw-araw kong kasama. Ito na talaga at ang masasabi ko lang, worth it ang lahat. I tell you this every day and I want to repeat it on this special day. You are my love, my constant, and my palagi. And especially my God-given inspiration.
Huwag mangamba ang pag-ibig ating punla. May kapal.
Ikaw ang naging lakas ko sa mga panahon na nagiging mahina ako. You always boost my confidence by reminding me that I am beautiful, I am capable, I am loved, and I am enough because I am fearfully and wonderfully made by God. You always point me back to Jesus and remind me to keep my faith in check, which I know is a clear sign from the Lord that you are the one.
Nakalimutan na ating sayaw, kumupas dating pagtingin. At kung ang dulo ay natatanaw, sumpaan ay gunit.
I thank you for unconditionally loving me through any circumstance and making me feel super special, like the soup of my favorite bulalo with marrow. And syempre, wag natin kalimutan yung patis na may sili. I will value your dreams, respect your thoughts, and encourage you to become all that God has called you to be.
Dumating man, kung dumating
From the first time I said yes to you, to every significant decisions in between, and to the day I said yes to forever, you've shown me that love isn't about perfection or knowing every step ahead of time. It's about choosing each other every day, even when it feels scary.
Today, I vow to love you not just with words, but with actions. I vow to listen, to encourage, and to celebrate every victory with you, no matter how small.
Na ating sayaw, kumupas dating pagtingin. At kung ang dulo ay natatanaw.
By God's grace, I promise to share my life with you in all faith and tenderness, through joy and sorrow, for richer and for poorer, in sickness and in health, till death do us part. I love you always.
Kung maliligaw, ikaw ang linaw, di ka bibitawan. Sa sigwa o araw, dilim o bughaw, ikaw ang sigaw.
Pag nakalimutan na ating sayaw, kumupas.
By God's grace, I promise to share my life with you in all faith and tenderness, through joy and sorrow, for richer and for poorer, in sickness and in health, till death do us part. I love you, my love, and I really praise God for you.
Tayo ay babalik, babalik. Pag nakalimutan na ating sayaw, kumupas dating pagtingin. At kung ang dulo ay natatanaw, sumpaan ay gunitain. Tayo ay babalik, babalik. Tayo ay babalik, babalik. Tayo ay babalik, babalik. Sa simula.